Thousands in the Bay Area were without power overnight after high winds toppled trains and knocked down power lines. As many as 5,500 customers lost electricity in San Francisco and hundreds more in the East Bay and on the peninsula, Pacific Gas and Electric Company said. Crews had restored power in the most places by Monday morning. Winds blew at nearby 40 miles per hour in San Francisco and exceeded 60 miles per hour in the East Bay late Sunday, according to the National Weather Service. The Altamont Pass saw the region's strongest winds, with gusts hitting 75 miles per hour and pushing a handful of big rigs on their sides along Interstate 580. Minor damage to homes and business was also reported. Winds are expected to die down as the day progresses.
Almost every customer came in here and said that there was about 10 trucks flipped over on each freeway because there's two freeways right here, the 5 and the 205 right here, and both of them, they had issues on both sides.
ICN News 关键 San Francisco report. A woman was struck and killed by a suspected drunken driver in a residential neighborhood of San Jose early Monday, according to police. The driver was reportedly backing her SUV into a driveway on the 12th block of Weibo Way about 2:30 a.m. when she hit the victim and the garage door of a home, police say. The victim, whose name was not immediately released, was pronounced dead at the scene. The driver, a 27-year-old woman, was arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence and vehicular manslaughter. Her name was withheld by police. The crash marks San Jose's 34th traffic fatality this year. ICN News 关键 San Francisco report.